Hello and welcome back to a new video of mine. In this video we will cover the progress on my robotic arm since my last video. Let's start with the goal. My robotic arm isn't supposed to just be standing around and lift any object it wants. It has a goal, and the goal is to pick up a ball from one place and put it on top of this marble or ball track where the ball rolls back down, so the robotic arm can pick it up again and put it back up. And with that, I declare the project finished as soon as the robotic arm is able to do that motion 50 times in a row without crashing. So 50 times doing from that place to the place up here, ball coming back down 50 times back and forth. So, and with that, I now have my goal defined for the robotic arm and I can work straight to that. I did that on Monday directly after I defined the goal specifically, or I had the goal longer in mind. But on Monday I designed the ball grabber before I had the robotic arm be just like a little plate where it can pick up anything or anything that was flat, and now I have it like as a ball that it can pick up objects, which you can see right here, just like this little, it fits a ball inside of here and it can pick it up. After I designed that, I directly 3D printed it and it worked out really well, and I had not too many problems with the printing part. I think the biggest problem was that I had to remove the filament off it, and it was a bit tricky to remove it there because I wasn't 3D printing it correctly. But anyways, so if you're struggling to finish your own projects or don't know how to start or are stuck in the middle of your project and can continue from there, I will personally help you with that. Just click the first link in the description and there you get more info. So let's continue. After I designed the grabber right here, I ordered a few new servos, which are those metal 9-gram servos or 18-gram servos, where the gears inside of the servo are not made out of plastic, but rather made out of a metal, so that the servo just works better and stronger. So before I had the problem that the servo motor was like bouncing back and forth. As soon as it would like hit a bit of resistance, it would go like the pop and wouldn't grab anything. And with this new servo this is fixed. Also a thing that I changed was that the servo needs to be mounted a bit different, because the holes don't fit to my M2 screws anymore. One thing, a challenge that I didn't thought I would encounter, was that 3D printing balls is really hard. Because the 3D printer starts off from a plate and it goes around in a circle layer by layer up, and with the ball it starts at the bottom with not many filaments or places where it sticks, and it goes up and up and up, and at a point up here it would just break the ball up from the print plate, and it was just so frustrating to see that. The fix to that actually was just to cut the ball in half, and instead of printing like the whole ball like that, printing it like in separate pieces like that and gluing them together in the end. To the next video I will try to get right around it without the gluing, maybe screw them together or something like this. But that's about it for the grabber. The grabber, I would consider it now finished, and the balls I have to redesign them to the next video. Then there is the other thing that I did. I assembled most of the arm, which you can see right here. So I assembled all the servos right here, which means now you can test the robotic arm, kind of. So it's quite strong. I'm pretty sure that this would hold up a lot here. So the whole construction is quite strong, as you can see from the video. And until the next video, I want to design the bottom plate so that I can put the robotic arm somewhere down and don't have to hold it, don't have to cut my fingers. You don't even know how many times I was like my finger in here, and then the servo motor I would turn it on and then would just cut through my finger. Almost cut my finger there off like 3 or 4 times. But to the next video I want to make a mounting plate where I can stick the motor on, have it secured and just work from there. So that's about it for the progress since the last week. I just quickly wanted to mention again if you're struggling with finishing your projects or don't know where to start, you can click the first link in the description where I will personally help you complete and plan out your whole project so that you know what to do at any point of the project, so you never get stuck again and finish all of your great ideas. And with that, I will end the video and I see you in the next one. Keep up the progress, guys. See ya.